Myself Nagaraj DB, Department of Computer Science, Kottashar College, Kottur. In previous classes, studied about computer graphics, types of computer graphics, applications of computer graphics, DDL-line algorithms, different type DDL-line algorithms, Bressenden algorithms. Okay, I would like to study in before classes. Okay, discuss more and more concept in the computer graphics. Today, in previous classes already discussed about 2D transformation and 3D transformation. Okay, in 2D transformation, translation, scaling, rotation, reflection, shading. Okay, I will discuss in translation is the changing the position of an object, scaling, resize the object, increases or decreases. Okay, rotation, angle theta, either the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, reflection, it 180 degree angle theta. Okay, mirror image of an object, like shearing means skewing of an object. Okay, discuss in 2D transformation. Same like similarly discussion about 3D. 2D means 2-dimension transformation. 3D means 3-dimensional transformation. Okay, this is the 3D plane, this is the 2D plane. Okay, this like the translation, scaling, rotation, reflection, scaling. Okay, it's very important in the computer graphics topic. Okay, today this class study about clipping. It's very important concept in the computer graphics. Okay, clipping. In clipping, 3 types. Okay, first is the point clipping, second one is the line clipping, last one is the text clipping. Okay, in today discuss the class line clipping. Okay, what is the definition of line clipping? Line clipping means it is the process of removing lines. It is the process of removing lines, portion of the lines that lies outside the clipping window. Okay, this definition is similar to relate to that. Okay, what is the this definition is not understand? Go to this one. First, what are the types of line clipping? Okay, first is the visible. Okay, visible means if the both end points of the line inside the clipping window, like there is a window. Okay, there is a window, like you have to consider for V1, V2. This is the inside the window. This is the visible. Okay, this is the visible line. This is the inside the window. This is called visible line. This is called visible line. Okay. Second type, not visible. In the not visible line end points which lies completely outside the clipping window. Outside the clipping window. Okay, like that V1, V2. Not visible in the window, inside the window. This line is called not visible line. Not visible line. Similarly, partial visible line. The line end points or a line which is partially inside or outside. Partially inside or outside the clipping window. Therefore, one line is outside the window, another line is inside the window. Okay, consider V1 and V2, V3 and V4. Okay, this is called different type of lines. Okay, do you understand? For visible, not visible, partial visible. This is a line, different type of lines. Okay, in the clipping. Now understand for line clipping. It is the process of removing lines, portion of the lines that lines outside the clipping window. Okay. Today will very important. Okay, very important algorithm. Today discuss the class today. Okay, Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. What is the algorithm? It is the process. What is the process in the line clipping? Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. Whatever the lines present inside the clipping window, those lines has to be accepted. And lines at all outside the clipping window, that will rejected. It's very very important. Outside the clipping window, that will be rejected or removed. Okay. Inside the clipping window, that lines to be accepted. Inside the window. Okay. Inside the window is accepted. Outside the lines, rejected or removed. It's very very important. Okay. With the help of this algorithm, like Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm, with the help of this algorithm, removed, outside the line window, outside the line window, okay, outside the line window. Problem is here. 1 point inside, 1 point inside, 1 point inside, and 1 point outside, 1 point outside, okay, 1 point outside. Clipping is required. This algorithm, this Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm, okay, this algorithm runs based upon the region code, okay. The region code is 4-bit. Okay. The region code means the formula for TBRL. Okay. TBRL means T is the top. Okay. R is the B is the bottom. B is the bottom. T is the top. B is the bottom. R is the right. Finally, L is the left. Okay. One graphical representation instead of region code. Okay, na? I will give the region codes that window. Okay. First of all, you have to consider the window page. Okay. First you have to consider the region. First the region. Okay, na? First this is the top. Okay. This is the top. This is the bottom. This is the bottom. This is the right region. This one is the left region. Okay. Top, bottom, right, left. Okay. How to give the region code? Already code here, but how to write? Okay. This is simple concept here. Okay. How to write this 1001, 1000, 1010, 001, 000, 0010, 0101, 0100, 0110. Okay. Already consider the regions. Okay. Give the region. This region is called R1, region 1. This is called region 1. This is called region 2. This is called region 3. Okay. This is called region 4. This is called region 5. This is called region 6. This is called R7, like region 7. This is called region 8. This is called R9. This is called R9. This is called how to return 1001. Okay. Already know the formula TBRL, top, bottom, right, left. Okay. This region is the top left. Okay. First one is the top. It is the top here. Okay, na? Right return code as 1. Top. This is the top. Okay. This is not a bottom. This is like 0. Okay. This is not a right. This one is right. This is not a right. This like code as 0. Okay. This is the left. Okay. Top left. You return code as 1. There, yes. Otherwise, return as 0. Okay. This is not a bottom. This is not a right. Okay. This is only for top left. Okay. This is only for top left. Okay. Like this code written. Do you understand for the concept? One is the top. This is the top here. This is not a bottom. Written as 0. This is not a right. This is a 0. This is only left. Okay. Top left. Okay. Next. Similarly, top. First code. This is the T. Top. This is not a bottom. This is not a right. This is not a left. Like return code was 100. Okay. Do you understand for the concept? top. This is the top. Next one. Top right. Top right. This is the top. Okay. Agree? This is the top. This is not a bottom. Here is the bottom. This is the bottom. This is the not a bottom. Written for 0. Okay. 1. This is the right. This is the right. This is not a left. 0. Okay. Na? TB or L. Sequentially TB or L. Okay. 1 0 1. This is called top right. This is called top right. Similarly. Okay. This is not a top. This is not a bottom. This is not a right. Only for left. Only for left. 0 0 1. This is the region for 4. Region 1, region 2, region 3. This is the region 4. Okay. Okay. Middle. Middle. This is no code. Written for only for 0 0 0. Okay. This is not a bottom. This is not a top. This is not a right. Middle. Window. That is called what? Visible area. This is called visible area. That is called what? 0 0 0. Region 5. Okay, na? Region 6. This is not a top. This is not a top. This is not a bottom. Okay. This is only right. 0 0 1. This is not a left. Okay, written for code 0 0 1 0. This is the region 6. Similarly, region 7. This is not a top. This is not a top. This is the bottom. This is the bottom. Bottom left. It's very important. Carefully. Okay. Top, bottom left. This is the top left. This is the bottom left. Okay. Next one is the 0. This is not a right. Okay. This is the left. Okay. Return code 0 1 0 1. This is called region 7. Okay. Similarly, bottom. This is not a top. This is not a top. Only for bottom. Okay, only for bottom. Return code 1. This is not a right. This is not a left. Okay, return code for 0 1 0 0. This is called region 8. Last one. It's very important. This is not a top. This is not a top. This is bottom. Okay, bottom. This is the bottom. Second one is the right. Right. Okay, last one is the left. 0. It's not a left. Therefore, finally return code. This is the top. This is the bottom. This is the right. This is the left. Okay. Return code for 0 1 1 0. Okay, now this concept, Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm usage. What is the usage? This concept using different type of examples in next classes. Okay. Do you understand? Only the concept, this algorithm with the help of removing the outside the line window. Outside the line. This is the example. Outside the line window. Okay. Problem here. 1 point line inside, 1 point outside. Clipping is required. Clipping is required. This only for partial visible lines. Clipping is required. Depend upon the example. Okay. Depend upon the example. Clipping is required. Either the line is the inside, both inside and outside. Okay. Do you understand the concept of Cohen-Sutherland line algorithm? Discussion about the example in next classes. Okay. Thank you.